Today I will be referring three world famous books. When bad things happen to good people, I am okay, you are okay, and the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 14. Why bad things happen to good people? See, this is all because of how we react to situations. If you show an empty glass, this is a world famous example. If you show an empty glass to a person who is I am okay, you are okay type, he will say the glass is not empty, he will say the glass is full of air. Correct? So these persons I am okay, you are okay, emotional quotient is very high compared to IQ. We can say they are more or less saints, saintly people. They will not see bad in anything. Right? It is said that sinners are not ashamed of anything, and saints do not do anything to be ashamed of. So they are I am okay, you are okay type of person. High emotional quotient. Then the next person is I am okay, you are not okay. This is a master. Superiority complex. This person has a superiority complex. And we know many people are there like this. Next is I am not okay, you are okay. This person suffers from inferiority complex, and here his IQ is slightly greater than EQ. In case of master, the IQ is greater than EQ, more. Last is I am not okay, you are not okay. We know many type of persons are there like this. These are of destructive mentality. Destructive mentality. It is called a destructive complex. They are sinners, terrorists, pessimists, destroyers. They don't see good in anything. Here their IQ is very high as compared to the EQ. In case of saints, EQ is very high. In case of sinners, IQ is very high. So in case of saints, they use emotional logic. And in case of sinners, they use logical emotions. So usually dictators, rulers, terrorists, they use logical emotions. People who are dividing and ruling worldwide, fighting for power and dominating, they want to rule the world. Like we have crackpot scientists in Superman's movie, Batman's movie, the supervillains, they want to rule the world at any cost. These are logical emotions. So, a good person is always good. He will not cross certain limits. Whereas a bad person is always bad and he will cross all and any limit. And that is why bad things happen to good people, and good things bad people will manipulate. See, there is a saying, means we can fool some people all the time. Some people all the time. People who believe in this are I am okay, you are okay type of people. Right? Then some people say we can fool some people some of the time. These are I am okay, you are not okay type of person. Again. And people who believe that we all are different types of fools, means we all are different types of fools. These are I am not okay, you are not okay type of person. So personality type decides whether you are proactive or reactive. A good person usually is not a planner and plotter. He reacts to a situation. He is not planning anything bad for anyone. Whereas a bad person is a planner and plotter. He can kill. He has got that killer instinct. And he wants to succeed, beg, borrow or steal. So he has to be very logical. He can't afford to be emotional. So in short, we can see that these 4 types of personalities are well explained in the books which I have already mentioned above. Secondly, how we react depends upon how we are brought up, our religion, our culture. So these things are vary from culture to culture and country to country. Nothing wrong in that. There has to be a balance, because too much too early and too little too late is not useful. It is a waste. Means we have to be honesty is the best policy is correct. But with some bad persons, honesty is not good. When you know that this person is going to fool you, there is no point in trusting him. So I think in real life, tit for tat is the best way to live. Means with bad persons behave badly, with good persons behave goodly. Where you can whisper, you need not scream, and where you have to scream, whisper is useless. See, this is important, you have to understand this. Otherwise, we will keep on blaming that people are fooling me, people are terrorizing me, people are ruling me. See, how can they rule or fool you? They are fooling you because you are a fool. You should use your brains which God has given you. Emotions are not good everywhere. Whom to trust, whom not to trust. Of course, with experience, everyone comes to know that. But some people, they don't learn from experience. Therefore, it is said, wise men never repeat mistakes. They make new mistakes. And a wise man can answer more questions than a foolish man can ask. And a foolish man can ask more questions than a wise man can answer. See, we can see on television during politics especially, there are heated debates. There are debates means it is a dogfight. Like dogs are fighting on the street for food and for other things. These TV debates, to increase their TRPs, they will go to any level, cheap level. Worldwide we can see that Big Boss program. Anyone can say, everyone knows it is scripted. They are consciously doing all the things which they are not supposed to do. They know it, everyone knows it. Nothing is hidden. But then they are earning in billions of dollars. So everything is excused because no harm done. It is a win-win situation, right? So I am okay, you are okay is a win-win person. I am okay, you are not okay is a I win, you lose person. I am not okay, you are okay is I lose, you win person. And I am not okay, you are not okay is we both are losers.